What is good, loves? Welcome back to the channel. Coming to you guys with a new wig review. Shout out to WESTKISS for sending me this unit. It also comes with lashes, an edge brush, some HD lace caps. Y'all know I love these. And the unit. So the unit that I am reviewing in this video is their human hair curly lace front wig. So this is actually supposed to be one of their glueless collections. You can wear this glueless. She comes with 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and she comes with the HD lace. So I'm just going to be taking my HD lace cap and I'm going to sew this down that where she is nice and sturdy under my unit for the install. So this wig comes pre-plucked and it also came with bleached knots. I did go in and bleach the knots off camera because I like my scalp to look natural as possible when I'm doing my install. So yeah, so I did bleach the knots, but this is a step that you can skip. It's not really needed. If you're wondering how I actually bleach my knots, I have plenty of other videos that you can check out, many tutorials that you can look at to know how to bleach knots. But back to the video. So once I am finished laying down the foundation, I am going to get started with the install, and then you'll see me later on style this unit. I will be back with my commentary and my thoughts on this segment. I will be done with the final results, so stay tuned. You up the way that you buy where you like it. It's like me to try it. Just relax and let the business. I'm more keep in between. Work it again. Wait. Work it again. Work it again. Wait. Work it again. Wait,
Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I might fly Priscilla out just for better. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change all my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel so primal. That's what I am. I'm just a man.
Yeah, go ahead and get that debit card ready. Go ahead and get that debit card, sis. Go ahead and purchase this unit. If you are a curly, big hair, wig wearing lover, go ahead and get that card right now, sis, because the lace is so undetectable. I love the curl pattern on this unit. The hair is flawless. And just go ahead and get it and tell them Malaysia sent you, all right? Shipping and handling was not bad at all. I did receive my unit within 4 days. So delivery time usually is about 3 to 7 business days. So that's not bad at all. So you would be able to get your wig within that first week. So here is the side of the wig, super full. And then I'm gonna turn around to the back. Oh, I just love the curl pattern on this unit. So I do have her in 24 inches. And she stops to my butt when you stretch the curl out. If you would like to wear her glueless, you can just add a little bit of your adhesive spray and you can just tie her down and you're good to go. You don't have to do the extra steps with the glue like I did. But I just wanted this wig to last me for a couple of days. I will make sure to have all of the details of this unit in the description down below because, child, this is the perfect bombshell hair and I am so in love. I definitely give this hair 11 out of 10. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.
I'm just a man. Take that pussy, drop it like that.